Does your RV constantly scrape over the rolled curb at the end of your driveway? We explain why BRIDJIT rubber curb ramps are your best solution. Some RVs are built on a heavy-duty truck chassis and can reach 40,000 pounds. That's way heavier than any SUV or truck. That's why curb ramps made from inferior materials and not designed specifically for rolled curbs will soon crack, break, and warp under this pressure. Combine this weight with an RV's longer overhangs and a steep rolled curb will easily cause damage to the exhaust, undercarriage, and suspension components. The only long-lasting solution is a BRIDJIT rubber curb ramp. They're designed to handle heavy loads without cracking or warping and have tapered ends for smooth transitions. We also have portable curb ramps, which are perfect for RV owners on the move. They are easy to transport and allow you to navigate friends' driveways and campsite entrances with ease. For more information, visit BRIDJIT.com today.